Best deals.
1. Hot pot stand. Prevent countertop and dining tables from risk of being damaged from hot vessel, made of 100% high-grade stainless steel material. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Sink caddy. A dedicated area for placing wet sponges with a concealed reservoir underneath to collect any drained water. This kitchen sink organizer is ideal for tidying away cleaning brushes, sponges and clothes as well as storing washing up liquid. Provides hanging and drying space for damp dishcloths. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Container bowls. The modern design features an anti-skid base, transparent airtight lids perfect for storing food and serving. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Glass jars. Made with premium BPA-free and lead-free food-grade glass, ensures long-lasting durability and offers a clear view of contents, preserving the freshness and integrity of stored food. The specially designed lid ensures an airtight seal, keeping contents fresh for longer and preventing any leaks. The edge guard on the lid adds an extra layer of safety. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Egg poacher. Pan is a versatile and stylish addition to any kitchen. With a non-stick coating on its round surface, it ensures even cooking of eggs and other ingredients, providing a hassle-free cooking experience. Constructed with 4 blocks of durable aluminum, the pan efficiently conducts and distributes heat uniformly for optimal cooking performance. The egg frying pan features a non-stick coating on its round surface, ensuring that eggs and other ingredients cook evenly. This feature promotes hassle-free cooking and easy flipping, making it an ideal choice for preparing delicious and perfectly cooked eggs. This frying pan is not only durable but also conducts heat efficiently. The aluminum construction provides quick and uniform heat distribution, contributing to the overall cooking performance of the pan. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Blanket bag. A perfect wardrobe organizer storage box with zip, to use as sari cover box or cloth storage bag. Store and protect clothing and household items with storage boxes for clothes, which is an ideal home storage organizer for your needs. Make the most of your wardrobe with folded garments neatly displayed in sturdy storage foldable box. The storage boxes for clothes or blanket storage bags maximizes your space, making it a wonderful cupboard organizer for clothes. They can be easily cleaned by wiping the outside with a cloth while the content inside is safe, dry and secure. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Sensor dustbin. Simply wave your hand, and the lid opens automatically. This hands-free feature helps maintain a hygienic environment, especially useful when your hands are full or dirty. Perfect for busy moms multitasking around the house. The lid responds in just 0.3 seconds with a wave of your hand or a gentle knee tilt, making it easy to dispose of waste even when your hands are full. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Sealing device. It can be used on a worktop or table, or it can be mounted on the inside of a cupboard or on the side of a kitchen unit. This made of durable plastic, which is essential to its lightweight and portability. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Cabinet organizer. This pull-out cabinet organizer requires minimal drilling for a secure and lasting fit. Built with a durable damping guide rail, this pull-out cabinet organizer glides smoothly and quietly, withstanding up to 40,000 cycles for dependable performance. Perfect for organizing kitchen, pantry, or bathroom items, the slide-out drawer keeps everything neatly contained and easy to reach, saving you valuable time. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Brush. Head with 6 rows of stiff bristles, width is 10.5 inches, perfect for helping you finish housework quickly and reduce cleaning time. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Storage bins. Made of durable and heavy-duty PP plus PET material, which is sturdy and durable, foldable stackable space-saver multipurpose storage organizer box with wheels, handle and door. Storage bins with lids is a foldable storage box. You can assemble the storage bins in a very simple way. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Cutter. Made iron in its base wood, you can use multi-purpose, vegetable and fruit cutting, slicing, and also to use peeling. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Brass mortar and pestle set. Embrace the traditional way to grind spices with our brass khalbatta. Ideal for making fresh spice mixes, pastes, and more, enhancing flavors in cooking without any chemical reactions. Its elegant design also makes it a great decorative piece when not in use. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Chopper. Comes with a powerful built-in battery that is USB rechargeable, allowing hassle-free chopping without messy cords. Ideal for chopping garlic, ginger, onion, vegetables, fruits, nuts, cooked meat, and more, perfect for daily kitchen prep. One-touch operation, easy to operate with just a single press, making it extremely user-friendly for everyone, including beginners. Equipped with a high-speed 45-watt motor and sharp stainless steel blades for quick, smooth, and consistent chopping. The detachable bowl and blades are washable and easy to clean. Just rinse under running water for quick maintenance. 250 milliliters capacity makes it ideal for small kitchens, travel, or quick use. Easy to store in cabinets or drawers. Made with BPA-free, food-grade plastic and a safety lock lid to avoid spills or accidental operation. The one-touch push-button operation not only makes the mini chopper easy to use but it is also safe. Chopper comes with a built-in safety mechanism that prevents operation until the lid is locked properly in the given slots and the lid button is pressed. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Diaper bag. 3-layered Oxford fabric for strength and durability. It's the go-to choice for mom as a baby bag for 0 to 3-year baby. 12 well-sized pockets for organizing your baby's belongings. It becomes the ultimate choice for baby diaper bag for mother for traveling. 180 degrees wide opening with a front partition featuring 5 easy access pockets for quick organization. Perfect baby diaper bag for mother for traveling and baby travel bag for hassle-free outings. Extra large design to accommodate all baby essentials, making travel easier and more convenient for parents. Ideal baby bag for 0 to 3-year baby for everyday use. Allows you to store feeding essentials, clothes, diapers, and more separately to keep everything neatly arranged. This baby bags for newborn helps parents stay prepared for every outing. Multiple compartments designed for separate uses, smartly divided sections with dedicated compartments for milk bottles, tissues, wet items, and more. This baby bags for mothers ensures hassle-free access and a mess-free experience. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Toaster. Auto cut-off feature to avoid excessive burning of food and stress-free operation. Safe lock lid that ensures that your food stays in place. Non-skid feet guarantees stability on any surface, prevents slipping and sliding during usage. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Rolling pins. Crafted from high-quality wood ensuring durability and safe play experience. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Melting pot. Made of high-quality wood and copper, the wax seal spoon is made of copper and heat-insulating wood, which will not burn your fingers, safer and more durable. The wooden part is glazed with beautiful red, retro, noble, elegant, beautiful and practical combination. Product link is given in the 18th link.